In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own talking avatar using AI. So start by opening up a design in Canva. Then in the left panel, click on templates. And here basically start looking for the appearance of how you want your talking avatar to look like and add it to your canvas. And here you can save your design by pressing the share button and download it. So here you can download it as JPG or PNG file. Then next in the left panel, click on apps and we're gonna download or use an app called DID AI Avatars. So here just click on this app, then open it up. Next is upload your avatar, which is the one you created from Canva. You might also be prompted to log into your DID account. So choose your avatar file from your computer. Then next in this text box, simply type in your script. Then next is select a voice. Canva lets you choose different tones, accents, and styles to match your content. And once everything is set, click on generate presenter and your talking avatar will then be generated along with your script. Lastly, you can also customize it so you can add backgrounds, text, captions, or branding elements. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!